got it in. I still like to put a light bar on there. They're brighter than the headlights, but the question is, do they see just as far?
Now, what's that supposed to be, off-road shit?
Yeah.
So those top lights, you had to have them covered?
Yeah, to get an inspection sticker, which, doesn't, like I said, it doesn't make sense.
Don't turn them on.
I didn't, but they wouldn't give me a sticker without. That's why I went from these to those, because I couldn't get covers for these, and I had two of them broken. That's why I put those down there. So I don't know, they were just fucking being dicks about it, I guess. I need ones that have middle fingers on them. That is bright as shit though.
Yeah, right. I hate to see coming this way at night.
I think a deer would hate to be seen. Yeah, on the camera you could definitely see the brightness difference. I don't know, maybe I could get some brighter bulbs for the headlights. Or just switch those out to LEDs too.
We would do it now outside.